When you come to the Badlands National Park, there's many things you can see on the Badlands Loop Road that goes to the Pinnacle entrance all the way to the northeast entrance. Now, in my last video, I talked about a lot of the trails that were in the Cedar Pass area, but this time I'm going to talk about the overlooks that you can see on the Badlands Loop Road that I think is worthy to see as well. And also, I'm going to show you some animals and where to look for them on this loop as well. So let's get into it. Now, because I started from the northeast entrance of the park, I'm going to start from that part all the way to the Pinnacle entrance at the path I'm going to show you when you go to the Badlands Loop Road. So our first stop is the Big Badlands Overlook. Our next stop is the Ben Rifle Visitor Center, and it's open from 8 to 5. I highly recommend you stop in there because it's a very nice visitor center and you may learn some interesting facts about the park as well. The next overlook you should stop at is the Bigfoot Pass Overlook. It does have a picnic area and it does have a bathroom. It's a very beautiful area to stop and see the sediment rocks. But if you want to come in the morning to see when the light just hits it, is sunrise. Trust me, you won't be disappointed if you get up in the morning to see this area for yourself. Next stop is the Homestead Overlook area. Now this is where the homesteaders came and they wanted to own their own farm here. Unfortunately, the Badlands is not forgiving weather, as drought was the biggest problem when homesteaders tried to farm the land in the Badlands in this area. Unfortunately, a lot of them, either starved because of drought, or they just packed up and kept on moving on to look for better money for farming. So if you want to see a big herd of bighorn sheep, I think mostly are females right there. If you come past a little bit of the Homestead lookout, you're probably seeing more in this area because I found like droppings all the way up at Homestead. So I was like, they got to be close and they were fresh. And so a whole flock of them is right over there. another overlook you should see is the Pinnacles Overlook. Now this one, in my opinion, is probably my best one. It's a massive area where you can see the sedimentary rocks, and also they say that you can see Mount Rushmore from this distance, but you be the judge of that. So we got the Sage Creek Wilderness, Harmony Peak, and Mount Rushmore all the way down there. Okay, these are Black Hills, and then that's Rapid City. Where do you see Mount Rushmore from here? I don't see nothing. Where do they see Mount Rushmore from here? I don't see that. Maybe all the way out there, yonder land, but I don't see Mount Rushmore from here. I don't know where they looking at. Okay guys, just to give you guys a quick tip on something, when you come to the Badlands, anything in the red, they're paved roads. The black part you see of those roads, they're dirt roads. So if you're seeing, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. Sorry, I'm in my car. So if you're seeing all of this black, those are dirt roads. But the red is all the paved roads. See, this is all paved. So I'm like trying to get to the White River Visitor Center, but it may not happen because I will have to go back the way I came, because this is dirt road, and I really don't know of me taking a dirt road, especially that's going all the way down there for the dirt roads. So that's something you got to be very like if you're looking on this map, we're like, oh, I can just go here. No, it's dirt road. You gotta, if your car, you're okay with your car going through that, yeah. But I'm not. I'm really not. I mean, my car can take it, but I'm not. I don't think I want to do it. Get my car all that much dirtied up. If you want to see bison in the park, the only area I saw them was in the Pinnacles entrance area. I saw them there. I did not see them a lot on the Badlands Loop Road. I did see more bighorn sheep in a lot of the areas of the Badlands, but I didn't see any bison, but only in the particular spot of the Pinnacles entrance. So if you want to see bisons, that's where they're going to be. Thank you guys for watching. Please keep subscribing to Coast Guide Adventures, and also follow me on Facebook, and also follow me on Instagram. Subscribe, and I will see you guys later.